And our Trailblazers volleyball team is dreaming of winning the Kenya Volleyball Federation League title this season. The Nairobi-based team is set to face KPA on Friday before battling it out with Mount Kenya-based Yetu team on Sunday at Nyayo Stadium in the volleyball court.
We have a couple of new players actually. We added, I think, 5 to 6 players, so it's relatively a newer team that it's trying to gel. And there's a lot of hope and positivity from the new players. They are catching on well. Out of the maximum 9 points, we managed to get 6 points, which is not that bad considering we are a relatively new team. But onward we soldier on, and hopefully we collect maximum points in the second leg.
We decided that opponents will sweat to get their points. Will not give points to opponents, because those will be opponents' error for us, and then the opponents will, of course, in Nyeri we had so many problems with the service, but we're doing it now because we are in a new environment, indoor, so I think we shall not be affected by the wind, the sun, and everything.